Yo, what's hood? Everybody on YouTube, man. It's your boy PM Kicks, man. I am back with another unboxing from StockX today. And I'm not finna talk your ears off. Just go ahead and get into the shoe. But before we get into the video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button if you like the content, man. Share the video. Friends, family, gang members, hit that notification bell so you won't miss another video, still review, unboxing from StockX, whatever I do. And subscribe to join the Playmaker gang, man. Don't worry about these boxes back here. These probably won't ever get unboxed. They're all like a whole bunch of double ups and stuff on bricks, and I'm just getting rid of them. So I don't want to unbox them and do all that extra stuff. And I know people like, well, I got enough money where I can sit on bricks until the value either go up or I just get what I paid for them. So, and there you go. And we have a Jordan box right here, as you can see. And these are the women's Air Jordan 4 Retro NRGs. Now, we already know what women 4s came out. And the colorway on this is Fire Red, Summit, White, Black. Let me flip the lid. And of course, you have that StockX tag right there. The new receipt from StockX. I don't know where the sticker at, but of course these come with that young card thing right there. Let me go ahead and pop this off. Oh man, they put this joint on good, didn't they? And I paid retail for these. I didn't pay over retail. I didn't pay resale. I paid retail. And this reads, inspired by the holiday season, this Jordan 4 uses Fire Red base colorway that is finished off with a gum outsole. Over time, whether done intentionally as a creative expression or rubbed off organically with regular wear, a second layer on the upper beautifully reveals an all-over ornamental design. And this would be the design, of course, if y'all get done, or if y'all do it yourself, or you wear it enough to where the paint rubs off, this will be the ultimate design that you unveil. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that back on all nice and neat like they had it. And these are staying in the collection. I might even bust these out for Christmas. Low key, this is like one of those colorways. And you have bling, flower, burr on the shoes. There go that StockX tag right there. Get off the paper, bruh. And of course, as you know, the left shoe always have that StockX tag on it. Right there. Verification barcode and all that. There's that shoe. So we're gonna do it on the right shoe, of course. Let me take this that shit up out of there. And I know this leather probably feel like bricks because of the paint and all that. There's no wrapping paper, nope. And wow, give y'all that full 360 of the shoe. Tuck those in all the way around. Oh yeah, these almost look like those lab 4s, the all red joints that's extra shiny. I'm glad these are not extra shiny. I don't like those lab 4s because they extra shiny. But yeah, man, let's get into the toe box. And surprisingly about the toe box, it's actually, there we go, The toe box is actually not as stiff as I thought it would be because of the paint. Like, I kid you not, I thought the toe box was gonna be like extra stiff, but it's not. Got a little motion. Standard, the netting system behind the full standard lace system. Of course, you have that Jumpman, that flight on the tongue. That's a little bit stiff. You have the Air Jordan behind the tongue if you flip it over. You have the all red wings, black on the wing tips, all red netting behind it. Standard netting system, just all red. Just a black lace tip right there. All over fire red. Mud guard. Of course, you have a fire. Let me see. The red is pretty consistent going all the way around the shoe. Like, it's pretty much the same red. Mud guard, you have a fire red right here. Midsole, I think this right here might be like the only difference in red right here. And you can pretty much see that very clearly. This is like a darker, deeper red versus this right here. But yeah, the mud guard, pretty much the same red. Air pods in the inside, clear. Going all the way around, you have that difference in the red right there. Outsole of the shoe, like, to me, for real though, the outsole is like the best part about the shoe. Cause until you see the print underneath, I really love this gum bottom. Like, I don't know what it is about gum bottoms, but gum bottoms is just so clean. You have the white pod right here, black Jumpman, predominantly gum bottom. You have these little red pod right here. Going to the back of the shoe, you have that black Jumpman, little red flat right here, all red, fire red, little pods back there. But yeah, it's pretty much like the shoe is really nothing to the shoe. It's all red. The little black hints help it pop out. But yeah, like, they could have done a little, like, I think the mesh behind the shoe, like the netting, could have stayed red. They could have stayed with the red netting system behind it. But they should have put like black mesh behind the shoe. I think that would have made the shoe pop out a little bit more, like looking from back here. Like, if it was black back in the back with a mesh up, and then the netting system was red, it would have made the side of the shoe pop more. Like, just put more black hints on the shoe. But honestly, to me, this is a dope shoe though. I might bring these out for Christmas. Get some of them snowflakes on there. Help this dissolve a little bit better, a little bit faster, to see what the actual print looks like. Well, I see, but you got to see it on the shoe to get the full you know, in-depth look of it versus it being on the card. So yeah, man, me personally, I'm not going to try to rub these off at all. I'm gonna leave them how they is. If you know how to do it, you know, do your video, get your content, show everybody how to do it. I'm not gonna do it. I don't care if I watch the video or not. Me personally, I'm not doing it. I'm just gonna wear my shoes, do it organically. And once it start getting off, you know, I'm gonna do an updated video, let everybody see how the paint look when it rubs off. But me personally, I don't wear my shoes enough like that for it to get real beat up to where the paint is gonna chip off real bad. I often say my paint rubbing off anyway, but it's not though. But anyways, man, that's it for the video. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button if you like the content, man. Share the video. Friends, family, gang members, hit that notification bell so you won't miss another video, still review unboxing from StockX, whatever I do. And subscribe to join the Playmaker gang, man. And we out this gym.